first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the fourth day of Christmas.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings. 4 calling birds,
3
2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
On the ninth day of Christmas,
on the 8th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8 ladies dancing, 7 ladies dancing. You better not shout, you better not cry, you better not in a pear tree. On the 9th,
No.
on the 8th,
Learn how to count.
on the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings,
4 calling birds,
3 French hens,
2 turtle
here we
doves.
go, bustling the meadows so green. Then I be decked with bass and partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping, donuts a leaping, 10 ladies dancing, dog meets and milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
on the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
Here we go. Really big.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just 12 things I need. And I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for Christmas is 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 boats a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.